In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the meta information in a post on Circle. So, let's get started, shall we? First things first, make sure you're logged into your Circle.so admin account. This is essential as you need the right permissions to modify any settings or posts within your space. If you're not logged in yet, just head over to the Circle.so homepage and use your admin credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll see an option called Spaces. Click on it, and from there, you'll be able to select the specific space where your post is located. Spaces in Circle so represent different communities or topics, so choose the one relevant to your post before moving forward. This step sets the stage for the modifications we're about to make. Now, with the correct space opened, it's time to focus on your post. If you haven't created a post yet, you'll need to click on Create Post. If the post already exists and you just want to make changes, simply click Edit Post. This will bring up the post editor, which is the dashboard for everything related to creating or editing content. In the post editor, direct your attention to a little gear icon that represents settings or post options. Clicking this will unfold a menu of choices that allow you to tweak various aspects of your post. It's like your control center for optimizing how your audience interacts with what you publish. Within the settings menu, scroll down to the section labeled Meta or Post Details. This might be towards the bottom, so make sure to explore the entire menu. This section holds the options we're interested in today. At this point, you should see an option called Toggle Hide with several selections like author, date, likes, or comments. Depending on what you aim to conceal, simply toggle the switches to make these elements hidden from view. This tool is particularly useful if you prefer maintaining a clean interface or want to focus solely on the content. Once you've made your selections, the most important thing is not to forget to save your changes. Look for the Save or Publish button and click it when you're sure everything is set as you want. This action updates the post with your new settings, effectively hiding those chosen meta details from anyone viewing the post. And that's it. With these steps completed, your post will now appear without those specific meta details, presenting a streamlined look that's focused purely on content. If you ever need to revert any changes, just head back to the same settings and toggle the options back on. I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time!